बच्चों, how are you? I hope you are fine. So today we will start a new chapter called algebraic expression. Okay. So have some intro about this chapter. What this algebraic expression is all about. This particular chapter is a branch of mathematics which is named as algebra. So we will first have the introduction to algebra. After that we will understand what is algebraic expression and all the things. Okay. So algebra is what? It's one of the most famous, most important and most applicative branch of mathematics. The word algebra is taken from an Arabic word that is the al-jabr. Okay, so it's an Arabic word al-jabr, and this al-jabr is a word taken from a book written by a famous Persian mathematician Musa al-Khwarizmi. Okay, so this algebra is being discovered by that Persian mathematician Musa al-Khwarizmi, and he wrote a book named The Compendious Book of Calculation by Completion and Balancing. Okay. So what this book is all about? It's all about the basics of algebra. Now in short, in nutshell, we can describe algebra as what? Algebra is a arithmetic of non-numerical mathematical objects. Okay, so I will discuss this word non-numerical mathematical object later on, but in nutshell algebra is all about the arithmetic of non-numerical mathematical objects. And what is arithmetic all about? Tell me. Arithmetic is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of mathematical operations regarding numbers. How to add numbers, how to subtract numbers, how to multiply numbers, how to divide numbers, which you have studied in the previous classes. Now this branch is very new as compared to arithmetic. So we will study all the points regarding this branch. So to start with the chapter name algebraic expression, first we have to understand what algebraic expression is all about. Okay. Chapter we have to understand the basic components of algebraic expression. Okay. So I am writing next topic, the components of algebraic expression. Okay, components of algebraic expression. Basically the components of algebraic expression have two parts. The first part is what? Constant. And what is constant? Constant is, you very well know, it's a very common English word which we use in our English speaking. Constant. What is constant? Anything which doesn't changes. The thing which doesn't change is called as constant. Okay. For example, if I have a marker of length 10 centimeter and if it doesn't break, the length of this pen will be constant. This marker will be constant. Okay. So constant is what? The thing which doesn't change its time is called as constant. In mathematics, the best example of constant is numbers. So all the numbers in mathematics are always constant. What is constant? Anything which does not change. Anything which doesn't change is called as constant. Okay. To come to the very important component of algebraic expression, that is what? Variable. What is variable? It is the main component of the algebraic expression. What is variable? It's just the converse of constant. What is constant? Anything which doesn't change is called as constant. But the opposite of constant is variable. What is variable? Anything which change with time. Anything which changes is called as variable. So in this world, there are more examples of variable as compared to constant. Because in this world, everything changes with time. Everything changes. Suppose, for example, my height changes, my weight changes. Everything around you changes with time. So all the things around us are variable. I will explain you what are the various examples of variable, but just I am writing the definition of variable. That is what? Anything which change is called variable. Now think, look around yourself. What are those things which changes with time? The very first example is what? The very first example is what? Our weight, our height. When we are younger, then our mass, our height is very small. But with that, as the time goes on, our weight, our mass, our height changes. So the height, the weight of human beings are also variable. Are the examples of variable. So think about some other examples of variable around you. The best example of variable is what? That is the time. Time is the best example of variable around us. Time always changes. It changes from second to second. It changes from millisecond to millisecond. So time is the best example of variable. Okay. By knowing the concept of, by knowing that what is constant, what is variable, now we are able to understand what is algebraic expression. Okay. So let me explain you what is algebraic expression. A mathematical expression obtained by the combination of constant, variable and mathematical operator. This is the complete comprehensive definition of what? Algebraic expression. I am explaining you algebraic expression with the help of example. Let me take an example of algebraic expression as what algebraic expression is all about. Okay. Now let me take an expression 2x minus 3y minus 5 plus 5. Okay.
So in this mathematical expression, you are seeing here 2, 3, 5. They are what? These are all constant.
Okay, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5 are numbers which are constant. So see over here x, y, these are all variables. And you can see here there is a minus sign over here, plus sign over here. In between 2 and x there is multiplication sign over here. So these are all mathematical operators. What are mathematical operators? Plus, minus, into, divide, etc. These are all the mathematical operators.